Hey, how's it going, everyone? Dennis here from primedtraders.com. And in this video, I want to go over the 8 trading rules that have made me a better trader. If you guys replicate these rules, I'm pretty sure that they're going to help you out too. Now, I'll be quick and direct and straight to the point. Rules 1 to 4. Number 1, don't let a small loser become a big problem. Now, this is self-explanatory, very simple to understand, and it's harder in some cases to do in real trading environments. But as a basic tip, when you realize that your trade is failing, the most easiest way to take control of things is to close it. Now, most people don't do that, especially new traders. They let a trade go into a big loss because they start hoping that price will turn around. Very soon, I'm going to give you a solution for that. But for now, try to either trade smaller, especially in the beginning, and keep definite SLs. Now, the only way to do that is to have a definite entry. We use the fibs to enter, essentially using a pullback strategy on everything. But rule number 1 is don't let a small loser become a big problem. Find your own ways of dealing with this. We're going to make videos on how you can do that too. But if you go over our channel on TradingView, I'm pretty sure you're going to find lots of interesting solutions. Number 2 is always use position sizing. Basically, the only thing you can always control in the markets is how big do you trade or how small. We use an Excel that tells us exactly what our position size should be as our balance grows or drops. The best thing you can do here is to create a little bit of a journal for yourself and keep track of everything. Make your trading pretty much a real business and act as if you're the owner of it, because you are. And essentially, you're the only one responsible for its success or failure. Position sizing is something very important and will actually help you to take control of rule number 1, which is not letting trades become big problems or small losses becoming big problems. Position sizing is this. If you have a $1,000 balance, you shouldn't be opening more than anywhere above from 0.1 lots, pretty much keeping it lower than that and way lower than that if you're just starting out. Number 3 is ride wins with hope and cut losers with fear. Here's the problem. Most traders do the exact opposite of that, but real traders do it right. Now let me explain to you what, and I've said this many times before. And what is the opposite? Most traders, they run losers with hope and ride winners with fear. Meaning, when price starts going against them, let's say, for example, you're long Euro USD and price starts going against you. Most traders, they have hope that price will turn back around and they're going to get out with a small loss or a small profit. I'm pretty sure it's happened to you. While when they start winning, they start having fear that the market's going to turn around on them, hence losing out on the profit. And that directly results into small wins and big losses. You need to do the opposite. When you have profits, when price is going in your direction, the main thing you need to do is start looking for facts or technical reasons using technical analysis to ride your trade with hope, ride your win with hope. While when you're in a losing position, if you start generating fear, that either means you're trading too big, you're trading with money you can't afford to lose, or you're simply trading based on, well, let's say hope. And that's a problem. So start having fear that the trade could continue going against you. Get out, keep your loss small, manageable, rather than large and catastrophic, and leave your emotions out of it. Now, while we're at emotions, your emotions say a lot about your trades and the way you trade as a trader. They basically say a lot about you. And if you pay close attention to your internal dialogue while you're trading, you can actually completely change your trading for the better if you actually start analyzing what's going on with you when you trade. Number 4 is get your mind primed every day. Now, this is a hard one because most people think that all you need to do is find the right system and that's it. You're going to start making money. Doesn't work like that. First, it is not the system that makes money, it is you as a trader. Meaning you always need to manage your emotions, you need to control your internal dialogue. So if you have actually personal problems or any kind of challenges in your life, then you should be staying away from the markets. Solve those problems first and then get back to the markets. Because The main difference between the successful people in trading, life, love, and everything else and the unsuccessful is that the successful have learned how to solve their problems. And I'll go as far as to say this: you cannot become a great trader until you become a primed trader first. Now, primed, what does that mean? Primed means being in a position, having all the knowledge, the skills, the motivation you need to excel at a specific task. That's what primed means. Now, rules 5 to 8. Number 5, control your losses, not your profits. Very opposite of what many people say, but the one thing you can always control is how much money you're going to lose. You can't control how much you're going to make. You simply can't, because you can't really say where the market's going to go. It's very hard to find a real profit target because, like I just said, we can't really find out where the market's going to go. But what we can control is where we get out. So focus on the losses and work very, very hard on finding the right key levels of where you're going to be taking profit. You need to figure out what kind of a trader you're going to be too. So control those losses. That's going to help you get the experience you need to become a better trader. And as you do that, you're going to start learning the market. You're going to start understanding the specific assets you trade, and you're going to start becoming a better trader overall. And you'll be able to start controlling how much money you make on a daily basis. Number 6, trade what you see every single day. Price action creates patterns, supports, resistances, and overall key levels. Your job as a trader is to trade those patterns and levels correctly. And you can only do that by trading what you see. Don't trade what you feel. Don't trade what you think might happen. Trade what you see. Finally, number 7, follow the process and follow the system. What does a pro trader do every day? He or she follows his process, manages the mindset. He or she knows when to trade and when not to trade. That person is on a mission every day, and that person knows that he cannot win every single battle or every single trade, but knows that he or she will win the war if they just follow the system and follow their process. Finally, number 8, attitude is king. This game is all mental. Hence, the magic word is attitude. Work hard on having the right positive mental attitude, and that all goes out into your trading. So basically, focus on being the best you can be as a person. Be productive, be disciplined in your own life, and it will take a toll or take effect into your trading too. I haven't made a video in a while, so I'm a little rusty, but thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys pretty soon again. Take it easy and have a great day.